welcome to another episode of Kenzie's Kitchen. Today we're going to be celebrating my favorite holiday. Halloween is hands down the best time of year, but it's going to look a little bit different this time around because we won't be outside trick-or-treating. So today we're going to be bringing those tricks and treats inside to create a super spooky Halloween grazing board. First, let's start with our clementine pumpkins. Peel them, make a little hole in the top with a knife, cut a thin strip of green airheads, curl it, place it right in the center. Then we're gonna make our Reese's ghost. Take a Reese's ghost and some black icing, pipe on the eyes and a mouth that looks like it's screaming. Use a toothpick to make the outline on the bottom of the cheese. Then cut it and use that same black icing to pipe on R.I.P. You're going to want to start by placing the biggest items first. I started with the glass jars I filled with jam, pimento cheese dip, olives, and honey. Next, I placed these cute glass gourds. They're just for decoration. Place some Concord grapes in the corners, then add our cheese coffin. Next come the clementine pumpkins and ghosts. Next, slice up all the cheese. Make sure there's cheese on the top, middle, and bottom of the board. Add the goat cheese and blue cheese. Place the meat near the cheese. Next, add some spooky cookies, and of course, some worms. Now we're going to fill any open spaces on the board with berries and nuts. And to really take this board to the next level, we're going to add some spooky spiders, snakes, and bugs.